What's up, man? Why are you acting like this? What's going on?
What's wrong with her?
Is she breathing? Have you guys checked that? Okay. Okay. Hello. Can you sit up for me? What's your name? Do you know her?
Yes.
Okay. How do you know her?
Friend.
Okay. Friend as in, like, are you guys in a relationship or is she just a friend?
Friend.
Okay. So what happened? What happened to her?
My car was right here. I put it in the parking. My car is gone. So I'm trying to.
Your car's gone?
Why my car?
What car do you drive? And you're positive it was this parking lot?
Yes.
What's her name?
Bella.
Okay, what's your name? Do you have ID on you?
Kevin.
Do you have ID on you?
Yes.
Can you hand it to me?
No.
What was that?
No.
Why not?
Can you ask me why?
Yeah, because I'm trying to help her, and if I need to ask questions and call you after, then I'll help. What's up, man? Why are you acting like this? What's going on?
You said to help.
You're just acting weird. Yeah, you're acting really weird. You're not giving me anything, like why she's like this.
I don't know why she's like that.
Okay. What happened to you? Why do you have all this stuff on you?
What do I have on?
You have dirt on you.
I don't know. I was sitting right there. I was sitting on the ground.
Okay. And did you touch your face at all?
Maybe.
Okay.
Maybe. Look. Right there.
What's her name? What's her name?
Bella.
Bella. Bella.
Annabella.
Annabella.
Bella.
Can you sit up?
Are you okay, Bella?
Hey. Hey. Can you sit up? Is she just drunk? Did she take any drugs?
She's drunk.
Okay.
She's drunk. I was literally like, I parked my car. I put my thing.
Did she take any drugs tonight?
Now it's like my car's gone.
She's not in trouble if you say yes, but did she take any drugs tonight?
I don't know. My car is gone.
Okay.
I'm just trying to figure out why my car is gone.
Well, I'm worried about her right now, okay?
That's okay.
Okay? You should be worried about your friend who's laying on the parking garage floor right now, okay?
Am I not here?
You are, but can you help me help her?
All right.
Will she answer you? When's the last time that you were talking to her and she was coherent?
Like 20 minutes ago.
Okay, where were you guys at? Were you at O'Brien's?
I got her and we came over here.
Okay.
My car was gone.
Okay. Annabella.
That's where I'm at.
She's sleeping now. Okay. How are you guys getting home after this if she doesn't want to go to the hospital?
I was trying to get my car
Okay. You're positive you parked it in this garage?
right here.
What car do you drive?
Chevy Cruze 2014.
What color?
Black.
Okay.
I legit 1907. Like I can show you the right here. 1907. I was trying to get 54D SOB. I don't know if they towed it. Why would they tow it?
How long has it been parked here?
I paid for like an hour and a half.
Hour and a half? Okay.
I'm maybe like 20 minutes past that.
Okay.
I don't know if it's in the. I don't know if they tow it out of here.
Hey.
I got us an Uber home. She okay?
Yeah, she's good. Wake up. Annabelle.
She might be drunk.
Wake up. Can you sit up? Can you sit up so the fire department can check on you in a sec?
She's drunk.
Can you sit up?
Did someone call you over here?
Yes.
Okay.
So were you like walking around because you were looking for your car the whole time? Is that why? Or were you with her the whole time?
I knew where my car was. I was trying to find her, come back here, and when I got here, the car was gone.
Okay.
That's where I was at.
Okay. All right. Do you have anybody else that can pick you guys up or something?
Yeah, most likely, yes.
Well, I need somebody that's probably sober because you're also intoxicated, so I don't trust you taking care of her.
I can get someone.
Yeah, I need like a family member or somebody that knows her, roommate, somebody that can watch her.
I need to figure out why is my car.
Somebody's looking for her right now.
I need you to wake up.
Annabella, don't do that.
You need to wake up. You're in a parking lot, bud. You're in a parking lot.
You're good.
Oh, I have fire station on me.
You're good.
No,
You're
I'm
good.
Just sit.
No, I'm good. I'm good.
Just sit. But you need to wake up.
I just want to
I'm
make sure.
good. I'm good.
You're good.
You're not good. You're passed out in the parking lot.
No, it's not fine.
Bro,
No, there's someone here with me.
you're okay. I'm here. I'm right here. Look, the car
You
shit.
went to work.
The car shit's
Give
gone.
Do you have
me his hand.
Do you have like an app that would show your like Apple does
You
it?
wanna fuck with me the whole fucking night? You wanna come out and see the shit? Get the fuck out of my fucking face.
Stop.
Kevin, get out of my fucking face.
They're here to check on you. Do you want them to check on you or not?
Get out of my face.
Bella, stop. Do you want them to check on you or not? Because you're just wasting their time at this point.
Cool, you can check on me, whatever, why not?
Do you want them to check you?
Check
Or are
me.
you just intoxicated and being difficult and don't want to help?
You want to go to the hospital if you want to have...
No, I don't. I've been to the hospital before. I've been through this shit, bro. I've been through this shit before.
Okay.
Alright?
So here's your option. Find a friend to come get you. Because you're intoxicated, you're passed out in the parking lot.
Okay, well, my friend, I just told him to f off.
Okay, call a friend to have him come here.
Sidewall thing.
Well, then, yeah, then your options go in the hospital.
Why am I leaking out right now?
No, I think you peed this. Yeah.
Just stay on the ground for a second.
on the
Just-
ground.
you don't need to get
Why
up.
am I leaking out my bag?
Because you probably,
right now?
I think you peed. Or maybe it is your bag.
Pee
I didn't. You
on
did.
me? Did you pee on me? I didn't pee myself. That's like you.
Can you call them?
Try to call them and tell them to come pick
I
you
want to
up.
be left alone.
You can't. You're
I don't like
intoxicated.
all these people on me, bro. This shit's pissing me off right now. I don't like all
Call a
these
friend.
people being called. I mean, I've been through this shit too many times. I've been
Well, if you've been through this and you know the only other
I've
option,
been
hey.
Baker for no fucking reason. I want people to leave me alone.
Okay, we'll call a
Just get out
friend.
of my face.
Call a friend.
Just get out of my face. I need everyone to get out of my face.
Kevin, does she have a roommate, family, anybody?
Yeah, her brother.
Don't stand next to her. I don't want you standing next to her. Because if she hits you,
I don't
then
want people
it's
sitting
just going to be
next
something
me.
else.
I have too many people next
What?
to me right now.
Her brother.
I have
Okay,
too many
can
people
you, do you have his
next
phone
to me.
number?
I don't like this.
Shut up.
I don't like
Stop.
people
Stop.
next to me.
Stop.
I don't care.
Call somebody.
Stop what? Stop
We're gonna
what?
go to the hospital then.
Stop who? Cool. I don't care. At the end of the day. At the end of the day, you're gonna take me where you're gonna take me. Because that's what you want to do. Because you want your money. Leave me alone. Everyone leave me alone right now. Just back up. Just back up. Just back up. I have too many people on me right now. I have really bad anxiety. Alright? And when I have people on me, I don't like it. I don't like people on me. Alright? I'm being respectful. So at the end of the day, if I was a I'd
He
beat
doesn't
your
have the number
ass.
for the brother.
If I cared enough, I'd beat your ass. So just step away from me now. Step away.
Don't touch
from
Don't touch
me.
him. Don't touch him.
Step away from me.
If you touch him, then you are going to jail. Simple as
But
that.
I'm not going to because I respect.
Okay, if
my
you respect
elders.
them, then you'll answer their questions, okay?
Alright,
And you'll go-
step away from me.
Go to the
If
hospital.
You respect me,
Okay.
If you respect me,
I'll take a step.
just
I'll take a
away
step.
from me. That's all.
Alright,
That's all I'm asking. And now I have a stretcher coming out.
yep.
I've already been through this route. I've already been through this route.
Don't, stop,
No, because
stop,
I'm gonna get
stop. This is what I told you. Stop.
I'm okay.
I'm
just grabbing my
because I'm
phone.
gonna get a
You're either going with them or you're going with me, okay? Simple as that. I'm not doing this. I'm not playing this game. You can't even walk. You can't control yourself.
Now you see, he's taking my best friend.
Who
away
cares
from
about
me.
him? Who cares
That's
about
my
him?
best friend.
Well, your best friend doesn't even want to help you get a ride home, so.
Yeah, no, but you know what? The only person that's giving
Okay.
me right home is this right now, and I don't want this right now. I don't want this
So what's
right
this?
now.
What's the solution?
Go home.
Okay.
Go back to your base and leave me the f- alone.
So how are you gonna do that? Is somebody at home they can take care of
Leave me
you?
alone. Leave me alone.
Alright, come on. We're not playing this game. Let's go. Come on.
Oh, don't touch me. Don't
Don't
touch
do that.
me.
Don't do that.
Don't touch me. Don't touch
Sit
me. I
down.
want my bag. I want my bag. I want my bag.
Sit.
Don't touch me.
Sit
don't
down.
Don't
All right.
Don't touch me right now.
Hold on. Stop.
Touch me right now. Don't touch me.
Oh, chill.
Stop.
Don't touch me. I don't want to be touched.
Can I go where she's going?
My God, now
Back up. Back up.
Fucking touch. I said I don't want to be fucking touched.
What happened?
Take a seat over there. Just take a seat over there.
You. And I'm never gonna talk to you again. You're a bitch ass.
It doesn't matter. Whichever.
I'll have one of you guys come over.
Did she hit you or who was it? Who'd she hit?
No,
None of you
I
guys?
didn't hit anybody.
do that then.
I didn't hit anybody. Shut the fuck up. Get the fuck out of my face.
You talking to her right now? You're just gonna amp her up more.
What's wrong with her?
If you wanna, you ride with them.
What?
They're gonna go to Boca.
Okay.
Ride with them.
She's drunk. You guys got paramedics.
Yeah, I
Where
mean,
she go from?
we tried getting her up, and then she just started like hitting us. Like,
Okay.
really just
Hey,
hitting
it is
us.
what it is.
So,
Is there? No, I don't know. What do you want me to tell you? I don't know yet.
She's drunk.
This is so fucking unfair. No, you wanna give me? I don't care about this. Give me.
I'm not doing this right now.
Give it to me. No.
Spit mask?
Don't tell your boss.
Do you have a spit mask? My car's over there, but. Beautiful. What's
I
up?
just want to go to sleep with a alone. I want to be here. Get me my fucking bag.
Yeah.
I mean, I guess you want me to do like a 10 for his car, or what do you think?
I don't. I think he parked somewhere else, but we can look around.
February 14, 2025, police respond to the first floor of the parking garage at 9 Plaza Real S after receiving a 911 call about a female passed out on the ground. Please subscribe and stay tuned for upcoming content. You don't want to miss out.